Hello, soulmate. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this class, we'll be learning how to make this beautiful buba scallop design. So, if that's what you know, let's get into class. And we'll be using two methods. We'll be using both freehand and for people that love to use the pattern in case you cannot do it properly with freehand. So, in this class, we'll be needing Ankara fabric. I make use of Ankara fabric, then our stay, this stay. Then to make a row, to make our buba design, we need to fold our fabric into two, then into four. That means we are folding our fabric into four. We are making our fabric into four. Then the width of this buba is your hip divided by 4 plus 1. If divided by 4 plus 1, then we need to cut it out like so. Now the next thing is to I iron it out to give me a perfect center. To give me a perfect center. That's just the essence there. Then I mark my 3 by 3 for my neck width and depth. So that's what I just did. Then the next thing is to fold another fabric for the facing. Because in this case we'll be needing our facing. You also fold it by 2 then by 4. That means so you place your buba like that and cut out the same neckline. You cut out the same neckline like so. Now the next thing is for me to make sure that I come out from that neckline. You can come out by 7 by 8 inches, just the way you prefer. Mark it, then you cut it out like so. Now you are not going to cut out your scallop design on your facing. You're not going to cut it out on your facing, just only on your buba that you're going to be cutting out. And you can see the way I'm making my hands. That's for the purpose of people that want to use free hand. Then I mark out 2 inches outside the neckline so that I will not go deep too much. If you want your own to be much deeper, you can go as much as 3 inches or 4 inches. So the next thing is to cut out, to cut the design we make, the scallop design, to cut it out like so. Now, like I said, don't cut out the facing yet. Don't cut out the facing yet. The the design is looking already. Now the next thing is for us to bring out our facing, then put our interface on it without cutting out the design yet. Now, for the purpose of people that love to use pattern, we are going to be making use of our pattern paper now. You can see the design already. Now the next thing is for us also to fold our fabric into two, then into four, like so. Now the next thing is to mark out our basic neckline, which is 3 by 3. Then you draw out your neckline like so. Now the next thing is also to mark out some inches outside our neckline. You can make use of 7, you can make use of 9, just like the way you prefer, and you cut it out like so, like the way you are seeing me. Now the next thing is to mark out our neckline. With this, you should have done a kind of you also replicate this for your facing before you draw out your neckline. For me, I mark out 2 inches from the neckline, then also 1 inch on that side. Then I connect it like so. Just follow what I'm doing, you will surely get it. 2 inches, 2 inches for from the beginning. That one is 1 inch already. I don't want to be fast at the moment so that everybody can get that. So the next thing is to cut out like so. Voila. You can see we are done already. The next thing is just for you to place it on your buba neckline and cut it out like so. You can see now place your already interface facing on your fabric and please pin it gently. You have to pin it gently. Now the next thing is just to follow the neckline like so and just sew it also gently. You don't need to be rushed at this moment so that your neckline can come out beautifully. So gently like so, just continue sewing gently like so. So when you are done sewing, the next thing is to remove all the pins and you will also you now cut out the facing the way your neckline is. You cut out the facing just the way your neckline is. And please, at this moment, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do so, like, comment, share it to other designers so they can also get to know how to make this beautiful design. Now, the next thing after sewing is just to bring out the neckline. Like so, you can also use anything sharp to bring it out nicely. Then you can use your seam ripper also to bring it out. Then the next thing is for you to iron it properly. Thank you for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Bye. Yeah, bye.